Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix a common issue that many Windows 11 users face, the search bar not working. So let's get started. First, let's make sure the search option is enabled in the taskbar settings. So right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. And make sure the search dropdown is not set to hide. If that didn't solve the problem, let's move on to the next step. Right click on the Windows icon and let's select Task Manager. Click on the Details tab and let's find searchhost.exe. Once you find it, right click on it and select End Task. Then let's find explorer.exe. Once you find it, right click on it and select Restart. If the problem has been resolved, great. If not, move on to the next solution. Right click on the Windows icon and let's select Settings. In the Settings search bar, let's type Indexing Options and select it from the result. In the Indexing option window, click on the Advanced button. In the Advanced Options window, go to Index Settings tab and under the Troubleshooting section and click on the Rebuild button and confirm if prompted. Let's right click on the Windows icon and select Run. In the Run dialog box, let's type services.msc and press enter. And let's find Windows Search in the list. Once you find it, right click on it and select Restart. Now just make sure the startup type is set to automatic. And finally, if none of these steps work, we can try changing the registry value. From the taskbar search, type reg edit and select the registry editor. Once it opens, double click on the H key local machine, then system, then current control set, then services, then WPN user service. From the right side, find and double click on the start and change its value to 4. Once done, close the registry editor and restart your computer to apply the changes. And hopefully one of these solutions will resolve your issue. Please let me know if this has resolved your issue and please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.